have general trinomial. So how can we get a general trinomial? So for example, we have to multiply two binomials like x plus 2 and x plus 3. So multiply. So using the FOIL method, x times x, then plus x times 3 plus 2 times x plus 2 times 3. So simplify. X times x is x squared plus x times 3 is 3x plus 2 times x is 2x plus 2 times 3 is 6. So add this 1. So it will become x squared plus 5x plus 6. So this x squared plus 5x plus 6 is what we call general trinomial. Okay, let's do the reverse, or how to get the factors of a general trinomial. So for example, we have x squared plus 10x plus 16. So we have 3 steps, okay? So first is, your first step is you will go to the third term, or the constant, 16. Now, think of all the factors or a pair of factors that will result to 16. Okay, shall we say 16, okay, factors 16 and 1, because 16 times 1 is 16. We have 8 and 2, because 8 times 2 is 16. We have also 4 and 4, right? 4 times 4 is 16. So we can have also negative 16 and negative 1. Don't forget the negative numbers. We have also negative 8 and negative 2. And we can have negative 4 and negative 4. Okay? So we have 6 pair of factors. Okay? So don't write 16 and negative 1, because 16 times negative 1 is negative 16, and this is a positive 16. Okay? Then, letter B. Now, if you will add this one, for example, like 16 plus 1, 17. 8 plus 2 is 10. 4 plus 4 is 8. We have negative 16 plus negative 1 is negative 17. We have negative 8 plus negative 2 is negative 10. And we have negative 4 plus negative 4 is negative 8. Now, you will go to the second term, 10x, or the number or numerical coefficient, which is 10. Now, which of these has the result of 10? So if you observe this one, so you will get this positive 8 or the positive 2. So you can write here, since we will expect that the factors are 2 binomials, so you can write here x plus 8, x plus 2. So this is, or these are the factors. Okay, let's go to our second example, which is x squared minus 11x plus 24. Now this time, we will just have to think what are the pair of factors that if we will add, it will result to negative 11. So I'll write here, step A is negative 8 times negative 3, right? Because negative 8 times negative 3 is 24. And these are equal. So we have that. Then try to add negative 8 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 11. So they are equal, right? Negative 11. So therefore, we can write x minus 8, then multiplied to x minus 3. Therefore, these are the factors of x squared minus 11x plus 24. Okay, we have here the number 3 and number 4 examples. Okay, so if you observe, we have x squared minus 5x minus 14, x squared plus 5x minus 14. So expect that they have different pair of factors because in this part, the second term, they are not the same. Okay, so now let's go to step A. So in step A, negative 14. So negative 14 can be written as negative 7 plus 2, right? Okay, now add negative 7 plus 2 is equal to negative 5. So they are equal. Now, therefore, you can write x minus 7 multiplied to x plus 2. So, x minus 7 and x plus 2 are the factors of x squared minus 5x minus 14. So here, we can have negative 14 again. So in this time, since we are done about negative 7 times positive 2, we can write here positive 7 times negative 2. Then add 7 plus negative 2 is equal to positive 5. And this is positive 5 or plus 5, okay, for the numerical coefficient. So you can write here x plus 7 multiplied to x minus 2. Okay, we have the number 5 example, 6x squared plus 11x plus 3. Okay, in this example, we have longer steps. Okay, so for the first step, you will multiply the first term and the last term. Okay, so this one, so plus 3, or you will say positive 3. So multiply 6x squared times 3. So it will become 18x squared, right? Because 6 times 3, 18. Then copy x squared. For your letter B, let's go to 18. Okay, in this 18, think of a pair of factors that if we will add, it will result to 11. So I will go directly 18x squared. So for the 18x squared, I will go directly to 9. So you need to break down this one. Okay, so 9 to x squared, we have here 9x, and we have here 2x, right? Because 9 times 2, 18, and x times x, x squared. Okay, so for the letter C, we will add 9x plus 2x equals 11x. So if you notice, 11x is equal to here. So we have correct pair. Okay, for your letter D, we will rewrite this one. So it will become 6x squared plus 11x will be substituted to this one, 9x plus 2x plus 3. Okay, so 11x is gone but substituted by 9x plus 2x. Okay, so for your letter E, you will group. Okay, so I will group here 6x squared plus 9x. So you have to draw a parenthesis. Okay, so we have here also 2x plus 3. Okay, now we will recall the topic GCMF. So in this first group, 6 and 9, we have 3, right? The GCF. And we have the common variable x. So the remaining here is 6 divided by 3, 2. And x squared divided by x is 2x. Plus 9 divided by 3, 3. X divided by x is 1. So no need to write 1, okay? So no need to write 1. So this one, 3x times the quantity of 2x plus 3 is equal to 6x squared plus 9x. Then plus, here, there's no common factor, okay? Common male factor. So you can write here. So since you don't have something to factor out, so you can write here 1, okay? 2x plus 3. Now, if you observe, we have common binomial. Okay, so we need to factor out that common binomial. So it will become 2x plus 3. So this is our common binomial times, copy this one, 3x plus 1. So therefore, 2x plus 3 and 3x plus 1 are the factors of 6x squared plus 11x plus 3. Let's go to the last example, 12x squared plus x minus 6. So again, for your step A, multiply 12x squared and use minus 6, or you will write negative 6. So the answer here is negative 72x squared. Now, step B, negative 72x squared. So again, I will write directly the correct pair, okay? Because if you have to do the trial and error method, it will take time. Okay, it will consume time. So I will write here 9x multiplied to negative 8x. Okay, next, try to add. Okay, 9x plus negative 8x, or shall we say 9x minus 8x. The result is 1x or x, and they are equal to the second term, right? So therefore, you can write here for step D, 12x squared. So your x will become plus 9x minus 8x minus 6. Then group. So I will group here 12x squared plus 9x minus 8x. It will become plus 6 because we factored out here the negative. Okay, we have the negative sign. Okay, so if we have to multiply again this one, it will become negative 8x minus 6. So that's the rule. Okay, then for letter F, now we will get the common monomial factor. So here is, we have 12 and 9, we have 3, right? Then common variable x. So the remaining factor here is 12 divided by 3, 4. X squared divided by x is x. Plus 9x divided by 3x is 3. Here we have common factor. At 8 and 6, we have 2. Now, the remaining is 8x divided by 2 is 4x, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So now, if you don't have common binomial, maybe you have to go back to the previous steps, okay, to review why didn't you get the common binomial. So here I'm showing you directly to the correct steps, okay? So we can write here, so factor out the common binomial, 4x plus 3. Then copy the remaining, this one, 3x minus 2. So we have the correct answer. So the factors are 4x plus 3 and 3x minus 2.